Welcome. In today's video, we're going to walk you through the process of enabling message requests on LinkedIn using your PC, following the latest updates to the platform. This is a simple tweak that ensures you don't miss out on potential opportunities, connections, or important conversations. So, let's dive right in. First, you'll need to open LinkedIn on your computer. Simply go to linkedin.com in your preferred web browser. Once the page is loaded and you're logged in, you'll be ready to adjust your settings. Next, look to the top right corner of your LinkedIn homepage. You should see your profile photo there with the word Me underneath it. Click on that Me icon. This action opens a drop-down menu with several options. From this drop-down menu, you're going to select Settings and Privacy. Clicking here will take you to a new page where you can manage various aspects of your LinkedIn account, from your profile details to your visibility and data preferences. Once you're in the Settings and Privacy section, you'll see a sidebar on the left-hand side of the page. Look for the Data Privacy tab and click on it. This section is all about controlling who can see your information and how they can contact you. Within the Data Privacy settings, you'll find a few options related to messaging. Look for Messages and enter this section. Here you can customize who is allowed to send you message requests. This is where you can allow people you aren't connected to send you a message request. Finally, you'll see the option to enable message requests. Simply switch the toggle to the Yes position to allow people outside of your immediate network to send you a message request. This ensures that you're open to receiving messages from a broader range of professionals, which can be especially useful for networking, job opportunities, and collaborations. And that's it. You've successfully enabled message requests on LinkedIn. This small change can make a big difference in expanding your network and staying connected with valuable opportunities. By enabling message requests, you're ensuring that you don't miss out on potential connections or important messages from people outside of your immediate network. This can be particularly beneficial for career growth, networking, and staying informed about industry trends. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. Enabling message requests is a straightforward process that can significantly enhance your LinkedIn experience. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips and tricks on how to make the most of LinkedIn.